Recently, the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin and his one official in the charge of war crimes. It is indeed a historic moment because for the first time, ICC has issued such warrant against a permanent member to United Nations Security Council. This warrant is issued by a tribunal based on Hague, Netherlands, which is the headquarters of ICC, for alleged violation of child rights. Vladimir Putin and Russia's Commissioner for Child Rights, Maria Loa-Belova, they are accused of unlawfully deporting the children from occupied areas of Ukraine such as Luhansk, Kherson, Zaporizhia, Donetsk to Russian Federation. In simple words, it is alleged that Russia is forcefully and illegally bringing the children from where they belong to its mainland. Before moving any further, let me take you a little bit in the background of it for your comprehensive understanding about who issues this warrant and why, and what will happen next to Mr. Putin. The arrest warrant is issued directly by ICC, International Court of Criminal, which is not a United Nations body, but rather an independent judicial body. Unlike the ICJ, the International Court of Justice, which is a very crucial or the important organ of the United Nations. The ICC has its history in 1998. On July 17, the day Rome Statute was adopted by 120 countries. The purpose of this statute was dealing with crimes against humanity and representing other human rights issues. After 3 years in 2002, on July 1st, after it was signed by 60 states, the ICC or the International Court of Criminal was established. The ICC was given the vast and important jurisdiction regarding crimes against humanity, such as crime of genocide, war crimes, crime of aggression, crimes against humanity. Currently, ICC has 123 member countries, and it has jurisdiction over only those countries who are member to it. In other words, it cannot issue warrant against non-member countries. Interestingly, neither Russia nor Ukraine are members of ICC. Then, how come ICC issued this warrant? Well, it is true that it cannot exercise this power against non-member countries, but Article 12, subsection 3 of Rome Statute says that the aim of this article is to expand the scope of the ICC by allowing the non-state or non-member parties to grant jurisdiction to on ad hoc basis without being a member of the statute or member of the ICC. It means Ukraine is not a member, but the jurisdiction of ICC can reach there as per the Article 12, subsection 3. Another interesting point to note that while United States played a central role in establishment of the Rome Statute that created ICC, the United States is not a state party or a member of it. Why? Because under the Rome Statute, the ICC has jurisdiction to prosecute crimes committed by nationals of the member states. It means ICC could easily interfere in the sovereignty of the USA or in the internal governing matter of USA. USA did not wanted this provision and it kept itself out. According to a report from the Conflict Observatory, a research group that monitors alleged Russian war crimes in Ukraine, at least 6,000 of Ukrainian children have been taken to camps and other facilities in Russia and Russian-occupied territory, and they are prevented from communicating with their families and are subjected to pro-Russian re-education. However, Russia's response is different on this issue. It says that it is just a temporary evacuation to camps in Russia and occupied Ukraine. It also admitted of taking some children, not all of them, who were orphan whose parents were killed in the war. Now, what effect will it cause to Mr. Putin? Well, it will no doubt put pressure on Putin, and it will also limit Mr. Putin's movement to only non-member countries or countries where ICC's jurisdiction does not reach. If he travels to any member countries, then that country must arrest him under the obligations as per the law. If Mr. Putin wants to travel to India, he can easily, because India is not a member of ICC nor its jurisdiction reaches to India. The reason of India is staying out the same as USA. It doesn't want to allow an outside body to interfere in its internal matters. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you don't like this video, please subscribe.